Good morning, you guys, and welcome back to the vlog. Today is Saturday. We're gonna run a couple errands, and I figured I would bring you along for the ride. We're also gonna go to the movies to watch The Odyssey, and probably, yeah, we are gonna go to, did you bring those stuff from the library? And then we're gonna go to the library to return the vinyls that we checked out, actually in last vlogs, and probably, are we gonna check it out? Are we gonna
probably
peruse? And then, yeah, we'll obviously take you along for the ride, just a couple of things that we gotta do. I don't know, I'm thinking maybe the full weekend instead of just like today would be the move. But yeah, that's the goal, and let's get the day going. We'll see what it's like. That we saw that church last time. What is it? Is it
church?
But it's Catholic? What is that?
Its own denomination.
Oh. Look at the candles. It's a D20. A Swimming Angel bag.
What are the dices?
That's cute.
20, yes.
Well, then the dice, they're going to be $10 each. 20?
But it is
Look at the dice. Cool. Look at the splattered one. I think I'm gonna do the mango matcha.
Okay. Would you like it with whole milk, oat milk?
Whole milk is fine.
Whole milk? Would you like the cold foam on top?
Yes. You know, I want a button. Yeah, that's so cute. And a print. The prints are so cute. Look at them with all of them.
I think that one's my little, isn't it? Oh no, it's not my last one. Just kidding.
Look at these. These are so cute. Oh, that's cute. Wait, he has coffee.
I'll do the 2 for $6.
Okay, let's do the 2 for $6.
I just like cracked them with like charcoal and put it on. Is that you?
This one has the sneaky. I've never tried a mango matcha. I'm excited.
Oh, it's a little...
No, it's perfect.
I love this.
Oh, stop. This is so delicious. Please try my matcha, like right now. I didn't read the book, but I plan on checking out a new one. I did try to read it when I was at the doctor's and I didn't like it, so that's why I didn't continue. To the library. What do they call it again? Did they call it something? Because it's red.
Oh, the enchilada? The enchilada?
Validate the parking lot. Oh, yes. I'm excited. I'm so excited. Oh my god.
So I said Jay-Z the Black Album because they're both black.
Yeah. This is a cool album cover. Show us your selection. Show us your selection.
Done yet.
Oh, geez. Oh, they have Addison Rae, I think. Okay.
We got Jay-Z the Black Album.
Oasis, definitely maybe.
Swag for me.
And then London Calling.
Nice. Cool. Oh, because like what? It looks so good. You gotta flip it because the sliders are mine. And I got my tries. Oh, we didn't go cool. I got saved. Alright, you guys, so little update. We have already done quite a bit. I did try to record a little bit. We did go to grab coffee. I got me a matcha, so definitely, I'm pretty sure I'll already share that in the vlog. But we did that, and we went to the library because we needed to do some returns. I showed you all. Matthew likes checking out the vinyls. They have a pretty big selection of vinyls, and so he checked out vinyls last time, and he checked out some more this time, which we actually found Swag, which is one of my favorite albums by Justin Bieber. So I'm pretty excited, and we're gonna listen to that when we get home. But then I also grabbed 2 books. I want to do a book vlog. I figured that would be lots of fun. And then what we're gonna do now is actually go to the movies, so I'm looking forward to that. We're gonna watch The Odyssey, so yay. And then I don't know, I think we're just gonna go home after that because I am tired, so that's gonna be the next stop. Anyways, I will talk to y'all later.
We got
Pokemon cards. I requested them. Actually, I want the middle one. Okay.
Rub on baby for good luck. Alright, let's see what.
Let's look at yours first.
Oh, now I see why everybody can't do this. Because good lord, this is a lot of effort. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Alright, we should be coming up on the rares. Okay, this is the reverse. I got 2. And then energy. Alright.
Fair warning, I don't know what I'm looking at, but I'm just doing this for fun.
Got nothing on that pack, by the way.
Okay, so I got this one. Oh, it's cute. Look.
Oh, we got Slowpoke.
I got this one.
Here's having to make it easier.
This one. That one. What is that? That looks kind of fun. Oh, this is cute. Ooh, that one's shiny. Shiny. That one's shiny too. Shiny. Oh, this is shiny. This one's cute. Here we go. I don't know what that is, but that's fun. And then the information card.
Cool. All right. Last one here, and then we'll get going to the movies. Is this one it?
Yeah. Oh, and just to show you, that's what the packaging looks like.
Oh,
Why'd you look?
because 1, 2, 3,
It's a
4,
little lower.
5. All right, hold on to these. All right. Now the actual good stuff. There's this one.
Cute. Wait, this one looks like Toucan Sam.
This one is a.
Oh, this one's a person.
Also missing one of the gems. And then we got.
That's cool.
That does look really dope. As the mega.
This one's Gwen.
Yeah, that one is a full art. Look how nice that looks.
It looks pretty cool. Almost looks like something you would see at like a smoke shop. Like it looks like kind of psychedelic looking.
Alright, Let's take a look, see what it's worth. $3. Over under $3.
It's gonna be like $1. Going to the movies right when Wendy started her stream. But look how pretty this movie theater is. I'm gonna go in 0.5 to actually get the idea of how huge it is. Like, this is Texas theaters for y'all. Printing out my tickets for my junk journal, obviously.
Baby, just stay